Hello everyone, this is Ian Lamont, author of Excel Basics in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to create a PDF from Microsoft Excel and also how to troubleshoot a problem with creating PDFs that relates to the size and some other elements that show up on the PDF. So here, let's get right to it. Here is the Excel spreadsheet that I'm working on. This is Microsoft Excel 2016 in Windows. In Mac it will be practically the same. And you can see that this particular spreadsheet, it has a little chart here, and then it has some data here and some months and whatnot, and I want to create a PDF of that. So let's just go straight to File. And as I explain in the book, it's pretty easy to create a PDF. Go to Export, and there's a button that says Create PDF XPS. So you do that, and you can save it to one of your folders. I'm going to save this to the to my Documents folder, replace the one that's there, and let's take a look and see what it looks like. Okay, so here's my Documents folder. Here it is at the top. Let's open it up. Alright, now let's take a look at the original. Here's the data, here's my chart. This one doesn't look anything like the original. It has the chart on the second, has the graph on the second page. The data is split up. Some of it from April to July is on the second page, while the first 3 months are on the first page. So this is not looking very good at all. This is not a PDF I'd want to share with somebody. And what happens is, when you create a PDF from the Word version, or sorry, the Windows version of Microsoft Excel, it actually uses the same settings for printing. And for some strange reason, Excel, when you're printing something, sometimes it just goes to these weird defaults that don't look very good. And you actually have to change the printing defaults in order to create a PDF that looks the way you want to do it. This is how you do that. So go to File, and instead of going to Export, which we did before, we're going to go to Print. All right, so here is the print view. And actually you can see it looks just like the PDF I just created, right? See, second page has the chart and part of the data. First page has the beginning part of the data. Now, one thing you can do right away is you can just set it up so the view is different. So right now it says portrait orientation. You can change that to landscape. But even still, that doesn't quite get everything in there. What's even better is you go to this button at the bottom. It says no scaling. And one of the options is fit sheet on one page. That's what we want. That's a little bit better. It'll be kind of small, but that will look a lot better. Okay. And then let's try that out. Let's create that as B. Let's see what it looks like. Here it is. All right, now you can see it's fit on one page. Let's zoom in a little bit so you can see it better. That's better, but there's still no grid lines. And that also is another printing setting you have to take care of. So go to File, Print. And you can see on the preview there's no grid lines. To find the grid lines, you actually have to kind of dig into the settings. It's at the very bottom, Page Setup. Click on that. And click on the Sheet tab. And there's Print, Grid Lines. Here, they just appeared. Let's go to Export, create the PDF. Let's call this C. Publish. Let's see if we got what we wanted. Here's the C example. Yay. So printing everything to one page, includes the chart, includes the grid lines. I'm happy. For more information on how to get the most out of Excel, check out our book, Excel Basics in 30 Minutes, available on in30minutes.com. And also check out some of the other videos we have on our YouTube channel, or subscribe to the YouTube channel. And there's lots of free goodies right there. Thank you so much for watching.